This electric fireplace is designed to be recessed mounted. Flush in the wall with a clean and modern look. Perfect addition to your contemporary home and amazing ambience for all rooms. Living room, bedroom, office. Just sit down, relax and enjoy the warmth and the gorgeous realistic flame effects. Check the foams carefully. The remote, instruction and screws are packed in the middle of two foams. The mounting bracket is fixed on the back of the fireplace, and the freestanding legs are fixed on the left and right of the fireplace. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 3 installation choices. This metal and glass panel electric fireplace is specially designed for recessed mounting in the wall. Flush mounted. It can also be a wall-mounted heater. Like a picture frame, it can also be used as a freestanding fireplace with the legs in the package. It is ideal for the living room, bedroom, or office for warmth and ambience. Number 2. 9 colors of realistic flame effect. Realistic crystal stone flame effect for perfect ambience with up to 9 changeable flame colors: yellow, green, blue, white, yellow and green, yellow and blue, yellow and white, green and blue, green and white. Adjustable flame brightness 5 setting. From a soft ember glow to full blazing brightness. Number 3. 2 heat settings. The flame effect can be operated with or without heat. Can work as non-heat fireplace. 1,500 watts, 5,100 BTUs. Fits for room coverage up to 400 square feet. The heat setting can be adjusted according to your preference. High in freezing cold weather and low in not so cold season. Number 4. Remote and manual panel control both okay. Remote control including on, off, color, heat, temperature, timer, 9 color options, adjustable temperature settings from 62 degrees Fahrenheit to 82 degrees Fahrenheit. Adjustable flame brightness 5 setting, timer setting from 1 to 8 hours. Number 5. Safety certificate. CETL certified, safety cutoff device for overheat protection. Safe for kids and pets. Number 6. Hassle-free installation. Equipped with a colored easy-to-follow instruction for easy and quick installation, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.